Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal, Nathan, man, back with you. Listen to my cat. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to install an eavestrough.
Alrighty guys, here we go. How to install a eavestrough. Alright, so guys, you guys can see I've just got one of the brackets just holding it in right now. You can buy the eavestrough in 10-foot sections. Luckily I had that little roof there to lean it on, otherwise another person would have been handy. So they come in 10 feet. And really every 10 feet it should drop about a half an inch. So I was more or less just going along it with my measuring tape, just getting a ballpark idea. I mean, it's a shed, it's not a house, so you know, if it's off a little, I'm not too worried. Just try my best, learn from mistakes, right? It's been a while since I've done anything like this, but you know, relearn it, reteach yourself how to do it. You guys can see, kind of was going in and out of the shed trying to find. I had an attachment so that way I could use a drill to drive the screws into the ledger board that I have up against the shed there. So one thing you guys can't see it very well is, you know, you can see the ends there. Added in the caps there. Hit it with the screws. You're gonna want to tuck it kind of underneath the. I've got a drip edge there. Tuck it underneath there, and if you don't have anything like that, make sure you add something like that in. Tuck it underneath the eavesdroughs. It's a little bit tricky. Get it in there, but I figured it out. So you guys can see, just take your time, and I did about every foot, added in one of them supports. I mean, it's just to help support the water, right? You guys can see, I go for a loose end. Get it in and slide it along. Make sure you're wearing some cut resistant gloves also, guys. Yeah, just take your time with it. Make sure you keep an eye on that drain edge. Once you're done too, also seal up all the joints. Don't want anything leaking out. It's really, any person can do this. It's not hard at all. And also too, just overlap it all.
Well, there, guys, if you've enjoyed this video and learned something new, please leave a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe for more, guys, and hit that bell. Oh my goodness, my cat really wants my attention. So guys, in my next video, we're going to cover how you install the downspout or downpipe on the eavestrough. Wanted to leave that for its own separate category because it'd be a little tricky if you're not sure. So we'll cover that one in our next video. I hope that you all have an awesome day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Bye.